Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about this main.cf file conversion into command line and command line into main.cf file. So whenever you are checking the main.cf file configuration in your environment, so you have a query related what command were used to set up this main.cf file. If suppose you want to know the command, what commands they have used to build this configuration, so the simple way you can use the below command. So now I'm checking the status, that is EHS status. So under this EHS status we have configured this two node cluster, and for under this two node cluster one service group I have installed, that is sg underscore app, and one resources, that is data dg. This is my resource. So these are the setup I have built in my lab. So we are checking which command we have used for this. So using this command HACF space hyphen CF to CMD, that means main.cf configuration file we are converting into CMD, that is CF to CMD space the full path of the main.cf file. This is the path for this main.cf file, and I am giving the destination using hyphen dest space slash tmp. Now using this command, this main.cf file will convert into cmd. So under this slash tmp I am getting all the configuration, that is main.cmd. This is the file. You can check using this less command. So under this main.cmd you will get the commands which I have used to configure this VCS setup. And if this configuration, this cmd you want to again build into main.cf file, then you can use the another command, that is HACF space hyphen cmd to CF space giving the path, that is slash tmp hyphen destination space giving this path, that is main.cf file path. So this command you can use to build again this cmd to cf file. So these are the command you can check. Now I am checking this main.cf file is now again built into the main configuration file, but there is no change while running this command. This main.cf file still inside this path, so there is no impact while running this command. Just for your convenience you can use this command to check what configurations are built using which command. So this is the main.cmd command. You will get this file, and if you are checking using the cat, you will get all the commands which I have run. So using this you will get all these commands. So like that you can use both the commands to learn the environment. Thank you guys.